Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderful today. In today's video, I'll be preparing my fruits to make my Christmas cake. So we are in the Christmas season and this is the time of year when we bake our fruit cake, prepare our cereal. So I have my cranberries, cherries, my currant, some cherries, my overproof white rum, some prunes, my red label wine, my raisins, and of course I have my container in which I'm going to soak these fruits. So without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, so first thing first, I have my container in which I'm going to soak my fruits. So, and all these are 1 pound. All the fruits are 1 pound fruits. These are my raisins. I'm going to pour them in my container. This is my currant. So now I'm going to add some of the prunes. And I'm going to add some of the cranberries. So as you can see, my container is already full. So I'm going to get another container because I want to use everything. some cherries. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some of the red label over it. Maybe some of you are wondering why I'm using so much rum, but I'm going to boil the fruits once they are soaked and I'm ready to bake. I'm going to boil them before, so you know, once you boil them, the rum is actually going to evaporate, so it's not going to be that strong. So this is it. So this is it. So once all your fruits, once the fruit is covered in the rum, you're going to cover and let it soak until you are ready to bake. So this is how I soak my fruits for my Christmas cake. And that's it. So I'm going to put these in the cupboard. So I'm just gonna put these in the cupboard until I am ready to bake my Christmas cake. So actually, this is going to soak for 1 month. Some people soak their fruits for up to 1 year, but I'm just gonna soak these for 1 month. So that's basically how I prepare and soak my fruits to bake my Christmas cake. So if you've learned anything in this video, please leave a thumbs up, please comment, please share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe, and I will see you on my next video when I'm going to bake my Christmas cake. So thank you all for watching. Peace out. Bye.